Nelson Mandela. I think he, of any leader in the last 100 years, was probably the greatest leader. Nelson really kept up the struggle even when he was in jail for, I believe, 27 years, and 17 of it, or 18 of it, was on Robben Island, which is right off of, in the bay in Cape Town. It's like Alcatraz in San Francisco, if anybody's been to Alcatraz.
Yes.
By the way, that picture I took myself on my trip to Robben Island from the boat. That was right out of my iPhone.
Anybody that goes to jail for your people and you know, you're still making power moves while you're in jail, you still do the same thing after. I mean, you're a huge, you know, icon. So
well, for those of you who know Nelson Mandela, he went to jail for his people. He was the leader of the African National Congress, and he wanted to end apartheid, and they put him in jail for it. And he spent 17 years in jail. In this prison cell, I'm going to show you a picture of the prison cell because I was inside the prison cell.
Oh, wow.
There's with me and my kids, and we have that picture up. I'm going to show you how small this prison cell was. This is actually Nelson Mandela's jail cell. As far as I am aware, the only two people who got to step inside of this jail cell between 2010 and 2014 was Brad Bernstein, Gabby Bernstein, and Zach Bernstein, and the Obamas. Don't ask me why I had this privilege. That's a whole other story.
Really?
But, you know, everybody walks by the jail cell, but nobody gets the key to go inside.
Oh, wow.
So it was a real privilege for us to go inside. And I'm going to tell you something. If you see in the back right corner behind my daughter
I do see
is a mattress. There was no bed. There was no bed he slept on. That was the mattress he slept on for 17 years. Nelson Mandela.
That's insane.
And I will tell you that the three of us barely fit in there. The only time he was allowed out of this jail cell, I'm going to tell you why he's a great leader. Okay? The only time he was ever allowed out of this jail cell was to go walk several miles to a rock quarry and then go work in the rock quarry. Basically, you know, hard labor. They're taking rocks, picking rocks up, whatever they're doing. It's not easy work.
And then you have to walk miles
and then you have to walk miles to there, then walk miles back. And then that was 5 or 6 days a week. And then on the other days, you would only get 1 hour out in the courtyard per day. When he came out, he said, if we burn this place down, there will never, ever be peace. And what he did, despite all of the terrible things, and they were terrible, what the apartheid government did to Nelson Mandela, he came out of jail and he put his hand out and made peace. And now when you go to South Africa, although they have a way to go and there's a lot of blacks who are living in poverty, at least politically, there is peace. And if it wasn't for Nelson Mandela, South Africa would still be in turmoil today. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.